In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify metafields. Metafields let you store extra information about your products beyond the standard fields like title, price, and description. They're perfect for things like care instructions, technical specs, custom labels, or downloadable files. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through creating a new product metafield and then show you where it appears on a product so you can start using it right away. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. From your Shopify dashboard, look over to the bottom left corner and click on the settings option. This is where all of your store's configuration lives, including your custom data. Inside settings, look for the section called metafields and meta objects. Go ahead and click that. This area controls the extra data you can attach to things like products, collections, customers, and more. Because we want to create a metafield for products, choose products from the list. This will open the product metafields page where you can see any existing definitions and add new ones. To create a new metafield, click on Add Definition. A definition basically tells Shopify what this metafield is called and what type of content it will store. In the name field, type a clear descriptive name. For example, fabric composition, care instructions, or downloadable manual. As you type, Shopify will suggest a namespace and key underneath. Click on the suggested namespace and key you like. This is more of a technical identifier, so you don't need to overthink it, but try to keep it consistent if you're setting up several meta fields. You'll also see an option to add description. This is optional, but it can be very helpful later, especially if multiple people manage your store. You can briefly explain what this metafield is for or how it should be used. Next, click on Select Type. Here you tell Shopify what kind of data this metafield will hold. You'll see options like single line text, multi-line text, file, numbers, and more. For short labels, use single line text. For longer content like instructions or notes, choose multi-line text. If you want to upload things like PDFs or images, choose file. Once you've picked the most appropriate type, confirm your selection. When you're happy with the setup, click Save. Shopify will now create that metafield definition for all products in your store. To start using it, click on the Shopify logo at the top to go back to your main dashboard. From there, click on Products in the left-hand menu, then open any product you'd like to edit. Scroll down on the product page and you'll now see your new metafield available to fill in. Depending on the type you chose, you'll either type text, paste information, or upload a file. Once you save the product, that extra data is stored and ready to be used in your theme, apps, or internal workflows. And that's how you set up and start using Shopify metafields for your products.